Okay, my chat partners, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dion. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. So today's video, guys, is my Sunday shout out for small YouTuber support video. So yeah, guys, today I'm going to bring you 4 YouTube channels. So guys, get out your phones, get ready to type in these YouTube channel names, and get ready to subscribe to some great channels for your satisfaction and your enjoyment. Okay guys, so let's get to it. The first YouTube channel that I'm going to shout out is Health is Wealth. The Health is Wealth channel is a channel about health, and it's categorized in 5 tips advising you on information as far as acne, exercise, skin, certain foods you can eat, certain massages that you can do for your body. And guys, this channel is a great channel to watch. The videos aren't that long. The videos are maybe 4 minutes or less. And you get a great informative information about health. And guys, when I tell you, like one video in particular is certain foods that you can eat to help to increase your eye health. And they give you the 5 tips, and they break down the certain foods you can eat, such as like sweet potatoes or broccoli. And when they break the certain food down that you can eat, it'll tell you and give you information as far as what the food does, how it helps the body, just how it can be a source of vitamin A or vitamin C. They have a video on certain massages that you can do for your body and how it helps the lymph node system. Like, it really breaks down the information as far as all these 5 tips that they're giving you. Guys, go check out Health is Wealth. The reason why I like the Health is Wealth channel, like I said before, is giving you tips that can help you improve your health, and that's one thing I like about it. Also, I like the detail that they put into the information that they're giving you. I like the content as far as visual. You can tell that they take a lot of time putting this content together, and they take a lot of pride in putting their content together. It's very well put together, and I really enjoyed that. So Health is Wealth. You guys keep up the great work. I really do enjoy your channel. Guys, go out and subscribe to this channel. The next YouTube channel that I'm going to shout out is Crystal Renee. Crystal Renee channel is a cleaning and organization channel. Guys, let me just say this lady has a beautiful spirit. She is so bubbly, she is so energetic, and she is so inviting. And her channel is really sweet, because you like, oh, she's such a sweet lady. And then she cleans her home, and the way she cleans her home, guys, she takes so much pride in her home. You can tell she's very humble. You can tell she's very happy and proud of the things she has and the things within her home and her home. She takes care of her home with love and care. And that says a lot, because I've seen some cleaning videos, to watch cleaning videos, because they're a motivation. You know, they motivate me to clean my home. And also, it's certain areas in your home you're like, oh, I didn't even think about I could clean my house like that. And then to me, with some people channel I watch, it's like no connection there. It's like, oh, they just cleaning their house. But with her, she make you, let me see how I can explain. You feel connected. It's like you can tell this is what she really does. This isn't just some extra that she doing because the camera on. You can tell that this lady really takes pride and love in cleaning her home. One of the things that I really love about Crystal Renee is, as she's cleaning her home, she's explaining the certain areas of her home she's cleaning. She explains the products, and she explains why she likes using those products on her home. So she has a favorites video of certain items that she likes to use to clean her home, and she gives you the pros and cons of those items. And that's a great thing to have for someone to suggest certain things about, as far as certain items that you can use to clean your home. What I would like to say to Crystal Renee, keep providing the great content that you are. Keep remaining humble. I really enjoy watching your channel. I really enjoy seeing someone really taking pride and care in their home and the things that they have. That means a lot, and that says a lot about the person that you are. So keep up the great work. Keep up the great work. The next YouTube channel that I'm going to shout out, it's called It's Time to Relax and Fun. It's Time to Relax and Fun is a music channel. And the channel has songs that can range from maybe 6 hours to 8 hours or 10 hours. It just depends. And also, this channel has lullabies for babies, country and folk music, reggae music, etc. And what I like about this channel is that the music is very soothing, because I don't know about you guys, but for me, sometimes at night I have a hard time falling asleep. Like sometimes I do have to cut on YouTube and cut on like a black screen and hear like the rain falling, meditation music, so I can fall asleep. This channel here has a variety of music that you can put on. You can put the music on as you cleaning. You can put the music on as you cooking. You can put the music on if you writing something down. Or you can just put some music on that you can listen to, and it's kind of upbeat and it gets you jippery and it gets you happy. And that's what I like about this channel. It's time to relax and have fun. Keep up the good work. Keep on bringing out that great music. And keep sharing your gift with the world. Okay, guys, and the fourth YouTube channel that I'm going to shout out is Kevin J. Stone YouTube channel. Guys, subscribe to that channel. Kevin J. Stone channel is an acting channel, and he has Monologue Mondays. Each Monday he comes out with a different monologue. And what I like about Kevin's channel is that you can see the growth in each video that he shares. You can also see the passion and his gift. You can see the drive that he has as far as his acting. Also, guys, he also has information on his channel as far as movies that he's in and movies that he has that's on Amazon. And he also shares clips from scenes from the movies that he have that are on Amazon. What I like about Kevin's channel is that he has where you can actually leave in the comments a monologue that you would like for him to do, and he'll do it. And that's a great thing. It shows that he's always up for a challenge, which is showing growth, just showing maturity, and it shows humbleness. The main things that I like about Kevin's channel is that the monologues that he do, you actually think there's somebody there with him. Like, you actually think he is full-fledged in that scene, and you think that the person is there that he is relaying this speech to, and you think that they actually did what they did or took him through those things, and you can see the passion, you can see the drive, you can just see the emotion, and you can feel it, and I can say that's great acting. Keep doing your thing, because you're a brave man, because it takes a lot of bravery and it takes a lot of guts to go out there and turn on the camera and do a monologue video and share with the world. Keep up the great work, keep that great spirit that you have and that humbleness, and you will succeed in life. And I wish you all the blessings and much success in your craft and everything else that you do in life. So guys, check out Kevin J. Stone's YouTube channel. Leave comments in his comment section for monologues that you would like for him to do. And also go out and support the movies that he has uploaded on Amazon. Our YouTube channels for my Sunday shout out are Health is Wealth, Crystal Renee, It's Time to Relax and Fun, Kevin J. Stone. Guys, subscribe to these 4 YouTube channels. Genuinely support these 2 channels. You will not be disappointed. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed my shout out video. Again, I will be bringing you another shout out video on Wednesday. And if you are new here, this is your first time watching a shout out video, my shout out video, basically a shout out to YouTubers who are subscribed to my channel. Shout the channel out and give a brief detail about the channel. And what we want to do is we want to continue to help each other grow. We want to support each other. We want to have genuine support for channels. What we want to do is show attention to channels the way we want other YouTubers to show attention to us. And the thing about YouTube world, guys, anybody that's out here that has a YouTube channel, whatever your content may be, keep staying encouraged, keep believing in yourself, keep stepping outside the box, and keep being the brave person that you are, because it takes a lot of guts to turn on a camera and record yourself and share it out there to the world. So guys, keep up the great work. So when you start a YouTube channel, it takes a lot of time out of your day to record, to think of different content ideas, to edit, to upload, to create your thumbnail, to add music, to just think of anything that you think that would capture an audience attention. At the end of the day, guys, you're doing your craft and you're believing in yourself, and that says enough right there. Okay, guys, so I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. As always, remember, you guys are great. Take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.